We've just acquired this lovely low mileage Volvo V40 top of the range R design, finished in obviously gleaming black. It's got unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels. It's got the full R design body styling kit with the twin exhaust and the large rear diffuser. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the unique R design, half leather, half Alcantara trim. Electric windows, electric mirrors, R design embossed seats, automatic headlights, cruise control. 57,958 miles. It's got DAB, 6-speed gearbox, DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.